Setting up for two-point perspective. You can work on regular printer size paper, or if you have larger paper, you can trace your printer size paper onto the larger paper and only do your drawing inside of the space that you trace. Your drawing might be of a single box going to two vanishing points, and that table is also going to the same vanishing points, or multiple boxes, and again, those can go to two vanishing points. As long as the table and all of the boxes are parallel with each other, they will go to the same two vanishing points. If you turn any of the boxes, the rules will change. As you can see here, that watercolor palette goes to a different set of vanishing points because it's going in a different direction. So I'm going to use that orthogonal line on the bottom left, and I drew a pink triangle to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to look to try to draw that same shaped triangle on my piece of paper. So I'm going to mark where the top of the triangle is, where the bottom of the triangle is, and then I'm going to draw that line. Next, I'm going to try to do the same thing going in the other direction using that blue triangle. So now I have those two shapes on the bottom of my drawing, and I can extend them to find my vanishing points and my horizon line using a couple of the other orthogonal lines that are in the drawing. When I draw the lines, I'm going to extend them up until they meet. So I'm taking that original line from the pink triangle and the top orthogonal line from in the photograph, and it looks like they're not going to meet until I'm off of that paper space. So I'm going to need to add on some wings, add on some extender papers. So now I can extend them until they meet. And if they meet even higher up, then my wings need to go higher and my horizon line would have to be higher. But fortunately, these fit onto that piece of paper. I also have my horizon line because my horizon line must go through it. All your vanishing points will end up on your horizon line, whether it's one vanishing point, two vanishing points, or 20 vanishing points. So now I'm going to do the same thing going in the other direction and find vanishing point number 2 over on the right hand side and start my drawing. Notice vanishing point 2 and vanishing point 1 are on the same horizon line. So even if you were to have 4 vanishing points like this photograph, because the watercolor palette is going in a different direction, it's the same horizon line. Or in this photograph, where all of the objects are twisted in different directions and they're on different levels, they still go to the same horizon line. You can see the horizon line in orange and everything meets there, even if they are at different vanishing points. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn that setup into a perspective sketch.